Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a very typical problem in which we are having a triangle related to the geometry and related to the class 12th also and onward for competitions for CAT, MAT, ZGS, GMAT, NEET, SSC and so on so on. These ABC is a triangle given to us in which this side is 13, this is 14, this is 15. Inside which a square is inscribed. PQRS is a square. We have to find the area of this PCQ. Nothing else is given to us. How can we find the area of this region PCQ? If we draw this PCQ separately on this portion PCQ, this is to be obtained PCQ. This is C, this is P and this is Q. Let us suppose if this is height, then area will be equal to 1 by 2 like this point is T. CT into PQ. This will be the formula for our area. Okay. Let us drop the perpendicular from this to this. This will be the point T as we have shown in this figure. This is point P. This is base. Base is nothing but the side of the square. So side of the square. Let us suppose PQ is equal to L, the side of the square. It means side of the square is to be must, is very much must to find the area of this triangle. Now, this is the perpendicular drop from C on T and extended that this is U. This point is U. Okay. This point is X, suppose. This point is X. Now, what happened? Now we can see the total height of this triangle ABC is CX. Okay. This is suppose H. Net height of the triangle ABC, which is CX, net height of triangle ABC is H equal to CX. Okay, this is the addition of these two, CT plus TX. And TX is equal to what? L. This is all is L. This is also L. Side of the length. L. This is L. This is L. Or we can this CT into L. Okay. CT plus L. CX H is equal to CT plus X. Okay. Now this is CT. And if we put this value equal to M, this height M, then we can say H is equal to M plus L. Okay, where M is the height, this is M, this is M, this is L. H is equal to M plus L. Okay, okay. Now this is point X. Let us suppose this distance is equal to small a. AX is equal to A. This total distance was 14, so that this portion will be equal to, if you remove this will be equal to 14 minus A. As AB total was given to us equal to 14. And out of which, when we drop the perpendicular from C point to X, then this distance is considered to be A, then this portion will be 14 minus A. Now, I am going to rub this all 14. Okay. Up to this point, this is A and this is 14 minus A. And this is H. Small height, this is H. This height is H, which is the addition of M plus L. Correct? This. Now let us take consider two triangles. X is existing in two right angle triangles. One is in CXA and another is CXB. X is existing. So that as per Pythagoras in triangle CXC, ACX, ACX, in triangle ACX, this triangle, this, and this. We can say that AC square, this will be equal to AX square plus CX square. Or we can say AX square is nothing but we have assumed it is A, small a square plus CX. CX is equal to H square. This is AC is equal to 13 square. Or we can say 169, this is A square plus H square. Okay? This is number 1 and this is number 2. Okay. A square plus H square is equal to 169. Except this, in this triangle, in triangle CXB, CXB, this square CB square, CB square will be equal to CX square plus XB square. CX square is equal to what? X square. Cx is equal to x square. We have considered this x square plus this is equal to 14 minus a square. This is 14 minus a. Because it was 14 and out of which this was assumed a. So total will be 14 minus a square. 14 minus a square. This is, and CB is equal to what? CB already given to us 15 square. 225. Square of the 15. Now, we are having two equations, relation between A and H from here. A and H can separately be found. Individually we can find. How we can find? In place of H square from here, we can write H square as 169 minus A square. Correct? Here, putting this value in third. Putting this in third. This equation. This is third number. The 225, this will be equal to H square is equal to 169 minus A square plus 14 minus A whole square. This is 225 is equal to 169 minus A square. This is A square, don't get confused with 9. A square plus 14 square is 196 plus A square minus 28A. This A square will this square will cancel and hence we will get 28 times A over here plus 10, 28 times A. This will be equal to 196 plus 169 minus 225. Okay. Now we will add here separately. 196 plus 169. The addition of these two will be 15 carry 1, 16 carry 1, 365. 365 minus 225. 365 minus 225 is 140. This will be equal to 140. Then 28 of A will be equal to 140. It means A will be equal to 140 upon 28. That is 14 ones are 14 0 upon 2 is equal to 5. A will be equal to 5. Now this become equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Okay, please be continue with my video and don't forget to like and subscribe and please don't leave my video in between. Okay, this is 5. Now this is 5. If this is 5, this was 14 and hence this will be equal to 9. Okay, this will be equal to 9. Okay, this is okay. Okay. Now we have obtained the value of x. Then h can also be obtained from here. H can be obtained from here by putting the value of a is equal to 5. And hence h will be equal to what? By putting a is equal to 5. In this equation, we can obtain the value of x square. This is, we can write the same equation is up, we can rub this all these, and hence the x square can be obtained. X square is equal to 169 minus a square. X square was equal to 169 minus a square. A was calculated at 5. 169 minus 25, that is 144. It means h will be equal to 12. Now this total height becomes 12. This is 12. It means m plus l is equal to another equation we have obtained, that is 12. It means we have obtained that m plus l, this height plus this height is equal to 12. Okay. M plus L is equal to 12. This is also be noted over here. We have to find ML somehow. And then we can find the area of this land, because L is the base and M is the height. This is L because the base of the square. Now, one relation between M and L is equal to 12. Another relation is to be obtained. Another relation is equal to what? In order to find the another relation between M and L, we can consider these two triangles, ACB and small triangle PCQ. ACB and PCQ. They both are parallel to each other, and these are the line intersecting each other. It means this angle will be equal to this angle. Angle of this small triangle will be equal to angle of this bigger triangle, and this is very much common. It means they both triangles are having angle similarity, equality, and hence corresponding ratio between their corresponding arcs will be same. So that we can say that area triangle CPQ is just equivalent to triangle ABC. Okay, it means the ratio of their corresponding arms will be same. It means if we say that CP, it means we can say CT upon PQ. In this triangle, CT upon PQ, that is perpendicular upon base. This will be equal to the perpendicular upon base, CX upon AB. CT is equal to M, PQ is equal to L, is equal to CX. CX is equal to H, that is 12, upon AB is equal to 14. 12 upon 14. Now this another relation between N upon L. This is equal to 6 by 7. It means M upon L is equal to 6 by 7. Now we can find the value of L and M individually. In place of M, we can write 6 times L upon 7. This is 6. So that this is the important. These are the two important equations. Now we can find M plus L. In place of L, in place of M, we can write 6L upon 7 plus L is equal to 12. This equation. Okay. It means that 13 times L is equal to 84. It means L is equal to 84 by 13. This is the value of L, this length. And then L can be also obtained Hence n will be equal to, now from L is equal to 13.7, hence m, but n plus L was 12, then m will be equal to 12 minus L. That is 12 minus 84 upon 13. 12 into 13, that is 156. 156 minus 84 upon 13. That will be equal to 272 upon 13. This is m. Okay. Another way is to find 1 by 2. You can do it. This is also there. Now area will be equal to 1 by 2 into m into L. Okay. 1 by 2 area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. M is equal to 72 by 13. L is equal to 84 by 13. Now you have to use the calculator. Okay? You have to use the calculator. This get cancelled with 72. 2 1s are 2, or 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. 36 into 84, that will be equal to 36 into 84 upon 13 square. Yeah, 169. 169. This will be the area. Now I am going to calculate it by means of calculator. It will be, wait a minute. (36 into 84). This will be equal to 36 into 84. 36 into 84. This will be equal to 3024. 3024 upon 169 divided by 169. This will be equal to 17.89 SQCM. This will be the area. Required answer 17.89. Okay, this will be the area. This was a special case. Okay, I think you have enjoyed this problem, and it is very interesting. Please keep continue with me and wait for another exacting problem. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe me. Okay, if you like this, please share this with other your colleagues and keep joining my videos. Okay, thank you. Good night. Several topics are there related to the competitions, related to the 12th class, 11th class, and so on. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.